What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Katrina, a K-Beauty Shine here on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make homemade applesauce for Jekensi. This is quick and easy to make, so if you're a first-time mom like me, I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope your baby loves it as much as mine does. Okay, so first things first, we're going to wash our apples. I like to wash mine with water and vinegar, and I just let it soak in there for about 10 minutes and give it a nice, good cold rinse after. Next, I'm going to peel my apples and then I'm going to slice them up. You can use any apple tool that you have at home, but here I'm just simply using a knife. Now, when slicing up your apples, as you can see here, I'm keeping them pretty chunky. You don't want to slice them very thin. You want to make sure that they're nice and chunky, so when we put them on the fire, they don't completely get destroyed. Next, we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of water, and this is good for 4 apples, but I don't usually measure. But what I find is that you want to make sure you put enough water for your apples to steam but not boil, so you want to make sure that your apples are not drowned in water. Next, we're going to set our stovetop to a low heat, and we're going to let our apples steam for about 20 to 25 minutes, making sure that we're checking up on them every now and then. After about 10 minutes, this is how they look. We're gonna let them steam a little more for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after about 25-ish minutes, this is how they look. They're nice and soft, ready to go. I'm going to remove them from the stovetop, put them on the side to just cool off a bit, and then I'm going to pop them in the freezer just to speed up the process. Now that my apples have cooled off, I'm putting them into this cup, and this is like a Ninja smoothie blender cup that I use to make Jekensi's applesauce. It works just fine, but you can use whatever you have at home, a blender, a baby bullet. I'm sure it would work just as well. And then I'm going to add the remaining water just to help blend everything all together. While you're blending, you can even decide to keep it like at a chunkier consistency if you like. I think it's a good idea if your baby's in their transitioning stage, like the 8 to 9 month period where you're introducing them to chunkier foods. But I always make it a nice thick and creamy consistency for Jekensi. That's just the way he likes it. Now I'm pouring the applesauce in these little storage containers, and I absolutely love these containers. I included them in my baby favorites video. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below. But I got these little containers off of Amazon, and they are the best. The best to store your baby food. They're freezer safe and BPA free. So that is it, you guys. This is how I make homemade applesauce for my son Jekensi. Very quick and easy, no artificial flavors, just simple ingredients for your baby, which is something I absolutely love. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Here, puppy. It's good?